Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do number 1 on your study guide, some conversions from radian to degrees. I'm going to come over here and list out some of the major ones you should know. This is 2 pi, 1 full rotation, which makes that pi over 2, 90 degrees. So then we've got 3 in this quadrant. This one's pi over 6, it's 30. This one's pi over 4, it's 45 degrees, and this one's pi over 3, it's 60 degrees. So I got 4 pi over 3, that's my first one, that's 60. Or it's 4 60s because notice it's 4 times pi over 3 like that. So I'm just going to replace that with 60. So I get 4 times 60, and that gives me 240 degrees. Second one is 17 pi over 2. There's a couple ways to do this. I'm going to look at it as for every 4 pi over 2, I get 2 pi. So for every 4 pi over 2, I've got 17 of them. It's a full rotation, so that's going to be 360 degrees. Notice I can write this as 16 pi over 2 plus pi over 2. This here is 4 of these, because 4 times 4 is 16. So I've got 4 rotations plus 90 degrees. So this is the 4 rotations, this is 90 degrees. So I'm going to do, I got 360. Now, I'm going to do this differently. I got 360. And then plus another one gives me 720. Another rotation, next would be 900, and then 1080. After that, I need to add 360 to that. That gives me, what's that, 4, 1, 4, 1, 1440. That takes up all these guys. Now I need to add pi over 2. Which is 90 degrees, so that gives me 1530 degrees. I know that seems like it's complicated. That one would definitely be easier with a calculator. So who knows, maybe you'd have a calculator for that. Alright, hold on. Okay, that one was kind of the most difficult. Now I've got 225. You should kind of know where 225 is in the unit circle. It's down here with a reference angle of 45 degrees. So it's going to be a multiple of pi over 4. So I'm going to go 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4. I'm just counting the number 45 degrees. So that one goes to 5 pi over 4. Answer. Alright, next one, 60 degrees. That should be a freebie, honestly. We just know that that's pi over 3. So 60 degrees goes to pi over 3. And we can do that by starting at the 2 pi and working our way down to pi over 2, pi over 6, double pi over 3. You should know what I'm saying when I say that. Alright, next one, I got 270. I need to change that over. You should know that that is down here, that's 390 degrees is. I don't know if that's a word. But so I'm just going to count in pi over 2's. So I got 1 pi over 2, 2 pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. So that is 3 pi over 2. And that's that. The rest of them will also be online on under different names.